Hello everyone, welcome to Live Life Simply. In today's video, I will be showing you the fireworks. This is the traffic jam which is there. Before starting the video, a small request, please do subscribe to my channel. Click on the red subscribe button and support me. So let's get started. These fireworks were there for around 30 minutes. I have just captured few of them. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Click on the red subscribe button, like this video, share the video, and please comment down below how you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Click on these links to watch my other videos. Thanks. Bye.